Hi everybody, today let's join Captain Discovery as we explore the secret behind the door of one of the largest tomato ketchup factories in the world. Have you ever wondered how those familiar bottles of tomato ketchup on our dining tables get their unique flavor and eye-catching color? From the tomato fields to the ketchup bottle in our refrigerators, the process of producing tomato ketchup requires meticulous attention and advanced techniques. Through this video, you'll gain a deeper understanding of the production process and the environmental protection efforts of ketchup manufacturers. Subscribe quickly to Captain Discovery to start an exciting journey of discovery. Where does tomato ketchup originate from? Tomato ketchup, one of the most beloved condiments worldwide, originates in a fish sauce from East Asia. Surprisingly, in the 17th century, the Chinese used a fermented fish sauce called Ketchup, which later spread to European traders. Initially, ketchup did not contain tomatoes, but was made from mushrooms, walnuts, and other ingredients. The popularity of tomatoes as a main ingredient began in the 19th century, when Americans started adding tomatoes to the ketchup recipe. In 1812, scientist James Meese documented the first tomato ketchup recipe, and since then tomato ketchup has become a popular product in the United States. Why did tomatoes become the main ingredient in ketchup? The shift from ingredients like mushrooms and walnuts to tomatoes happened for several reasons. Tomatoes have a naturally rich flavor, a beautiful color, and contain natural acids that help with long-term preservation. Additionally, in the 19th century, advances in food preservation technology made it easier to process and preserve tomatoes. Thus, tomato ketchup became a popular condiment, indispensable in many dishes. From the fascinating historical stories of the development of tomato ketchup, let us embark on a journey to explore the detailed steps in the modern production process of this familiar condiment. What is the first step in producing tomato ketchup? The process begins in the vast, lush green fields where the tomatoes are ready for harvest. Before this, the tomato variety is specially grown for ketchup production. Experts research and cultivate tomato varieties in nurseries. After careful nurturing, the seedlings are transplanted to the fields. It typically takes around 75 to 85 days from planting to harvest, depending on the tomato variety and weather conditions. When harvest season arrives, the tomato fields become vibrant with ripe, red tomatoes under the bright sun. Modern harvesting machines efficiently collect hundreds of tons of tomatoes each day. The harvest scene is lively, with massive machines moving through the rows, gathering each ripe red tomato. How are the tomatoes processed after harvesting? The tomatoes are transported by large trucks to the factory. Each batch of tomatoes undergoes a strict selection process. Sophisticated optical sensors differentiate between ripe and unripe fruits, ensuring that only the best tomatoes proceed. This initial selection happens in the blink of an eye, paving the way for the product's exceptional quality. Next, they are poured into a colossal automatic washing system, which reminds me of majestic waterfalls. The tomatoes pass through several conveyor belts and are thoroughly washed to remove dirt and sand. This washing system uses high-pressure water to ensure absolute cleanliness. After the initial wash, workers inspect and remove any green, bad, or damaged tomatoes from the line. The tomatoes that pass the test move on to the next stage. So, how did tomatoes become sauce? The shiny red tomatoes follow each other through a machine that blanches them. The scene of steam rising makes it look like the tomatoes are in a steam bath. After blanching, the tomatoes go into a grinding machine to create a smooth mixture. This mixture is then transferred to a large kettle, where ingredients like sugar, vinegar, salt, and other spices are added, according to the manufacturer's secret recipe. This process not only blends the ingredients, but also enhances the flavor and ensures the smooth consistency of the ketchup. Controlling the time and temperature during cooking is crucial to achieve the perfect flavor. The blending machine can handle thousands of liters of ketchup per hour, ensuring high efficiency and consistent product quality. How does the ketchup production process end? The cooked ketchup mixture moves through a filling machine. This machine, with multiple spouts like an octopus, fills bottles or jars. Before this, the bottles or plastic jars are sterilized to ensure hygiene. The automatic bottling system ensures that each bottle is sealed tightly and maintains quality. Modern bottling machines can handle thousands of bottles per hour, ensuring a quick and efficient process. Speed is crucial to preserving the natural flavor and aroma of the tomatoes. Believe it or not, from the moment they are harvested, the clock starts ticking, and within 6 hours, these tomatoes are washed, processed, and canned. This rapid canning process retains the freshness and extends the shelf life, allowing the tomatoes to maintain their fresh taste for years. How is the safety of tomato ketchup ensured for consumers? After bottling, the ketchup undergoes sterilization to kill any remaining bacteria. This process extends the product's shelf life. Each can of ketchup can be traced back to its source, from the farm to your table. The manufacturer keeps detailed records of harvest times and batch numbers, ensuring complete transparency and traceability. Each batch of the product is rigorously tested for flavor, color, and texture before being released to the market. Laboratories test each batch for pH levels, color density, and uniformity, ensuring that only the best products make it to the market. Then the bottles or jars of ketchup are packed into boxes, ready to be shipped to supermarkets and stores. What are the environmental challenges in ketchup production? In tomato ketchup production, some environmental challenges include water and energy use and waste management. Manufacturers are now shifting towards more sustainable methods to minimize these impacts. Using modern equipment also helps optimize processes and minimize resource wastage. Large production plants have efficient water and energy management systems, reducing waste and optimizing performance. Most of the waste from production, such as tomato skins and seeds, can be recycled into fertilizer or used in other products. Recycling not only reduces pollution, but also creates economic value from waste. Factories have modern waste management systems that turn waste into reusable resources. Thanks for exploring the tomato ketchup production process with us. If you're amazed by the blend of technology and craftsmanship we showcased, like, share, and comment your thoughts below. Don't forget to subscribe to Captain Discovery for more interesting journeys.